First of all, let's draw a big circle. Then, at the top left, draw a smaller circle on that circle, and at the top right, draw another circle, and at the bottom, draw a circle. Now the first circle, let's paint that red. The second circle, yellow, and the bottom circle, blue. Now these three colours, red, yellow, blue, are the primary colours. We're going to learn what colours they make when we mix them together. So first of all, draw a circle between red and yellow. What colour do you think red and yellow make when we mix them together? Let's try. So paint that circle yellow first. Add a blob of red. And let's mix them together. Makes orange, doesn't it? So red and yellow makes orange. Now let's see what red and blue make when we mix them together. So draw a circle between red and blue. Put the red colour in there. And add a blob of blue. Mix them together and we get purple. So red and blue makes purple. Now what about blue and yellow? Let's draw a circle between them. Paint it yellow. Add a blob of blue and mix them together. We get green. So blue and yellow makes green. Great. Now what about if we mix the three primary colours together? So what happens when we mix red, yellow and blue together? Let's draw a circle in the middle of the big circle. Connect it to the three primary colours. And let's add yellow first. Add a blob of red and a blob of blue. Mix it together and we get brown. Wow! Okay, what if we add white to some of these colours? What happens, do you think? So draw a circle in the top left and connect it to the red. Paint it white. Add a blob of red and mix it together. We get pink, or light red. Pink, isn't it? Okay, let's try it with blue. So draw a circle down the bottom left and connect it to the blue one. Paint it white. Add a blob of blue and mix it together. We get light blue, maybe sky blue. Great. What if we add black to some of these colours? So draw a circle down the bottom right, connect it to the green one. Now first we have to make green, don't we? So remember, green is yellow and blue. So paint that circle yellow. Add a blob of blue. Mix it together to get green. Now what does black do? So add a blob of black, just a little black's enough here. Mix it together and we get dark green, maybe forest green. How about yellow? So up the top right, draw another circle and connect it to yellow. Paint it yellow. Add a blob of black. Mix it together and we get dark yellow. Great. So remember, red plus yellow equals what? Can you remember? Orange, that's right. Red plus blue equals what? Purple, right. And what about yellow plus blue equals what? Green. And there we go. So when we mix primary colours together, we create secondary colours. So orange, purple and green, they are called secondary colours. Red, yellow and blue are called primary colours. Okay, let's try mixing white. So red plus white equals, do you remember? Pink. Yellow plus white equals, what do you think that makes? Light yellow. And blue plus white equals light blue or sky blue. Okay, how about we try mixing black to the primary colours? So red plus black equals, what do you think? Dark red. We sometimes call this maroon. So red plus black equals maroon. Yellow plus black equals what? Dark yellow. And blue plus black equals, what do you think? dark blue or navy blue. For example, my son's uniform is this colour, is navy blue. It's just dark blue. So we have the three primary colours: red, blue, yellow. They're the three primary colours. What does red and blue make? Purple. What does blue and yellow make? Green. And what does yellow and red make? Orange. So purple, green and orange are secondary colours. Red, blue and yellow are primary colours. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Silly Boy Toys. See you next time. Bye!